Guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chidima of noelynbeautyempire. You are highly welcome, and for you my old subscribers, thank you again for coming back. So in today's video I want to quickly show you guys how I made that beautiful wig you saw in the beginning of this video. So I'm starting with my fullest wig made out of Kaneka long hair by yours truly, by me. So I'm going to let you guys see it, enjoy watching this tutorial. It's not an in-depth tutorial, but I just want to quickly show you guys how I achieved that beautiful wig you saw in the beginning. So if you're interested, keep watching. I would like to see you guys again. I will talk to you guys again. Keep watching.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life.
Okay guys, now that I have finished making the individual braids, I'm going to quickly show you guys how I made the fit-in braids after making the individuals. Yes, I first made the individual braids. Now let me show you how I made the fit-in braids. So guys, if you are new here, please don't make this video your last. Subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on your notifications so you get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. And if you're interested in purchasing a wig, any type of wig, braided wig, I also make closures and like this fullest wig I used in this video is made by me. So kindly check the description box. You see a column in that description box that says to order a wig. You will get me on WhatsApp, or you can contact me via my email address. So for more inquiries, for more information about any wig, about my product, use the link on in my description box to order a wig. Okay, so guys, some people ask me, how long does it take to ventilate a fullest wig? Get that? Yeah, some people ask me that question. Yes, I have to put it out there now. I want to tell you guys, babes, I have to tell you, don't put pressure on yourself. Okay, don't put pressure. Work at your own pace. When I started earlier, when I started newly to this ventilating business, to make a fullest wig was taking me roughly 3 weeks. Later I started making it 2 weeks, but now I make it in less than a week. Like this one I made because I have a lot of works and everybody working with me, everybody was booked, so we are all busy, all hands on deck. I can't believe myself. Sometimes you know you have power, you have superpower, but you don't know, you don't realize that. I realized that my superpower in making this wig, this particular wig. I was braiding a particular wig and at the same time ventilating this fullest wig. I can't believe that I did this work, this ventilating. I was multitasking. I did this ventilating in 5 days. I won't call it 5 days because it's not half day. Calculate half day because I make braided wigs in the night. I ventilate this daytime. Sometimes I do 6 hours, 5 hours, depending on what I was doing at the moment. So I can't believe I made this in that short time while doing another work. So what I'm trying to tell you is just give yourself time. This work is not easy, so if you put your pressure on yourself, you might break down. Okay, so give yourself time, practice, and I believe that the more you practice, the more you get used to the work. Yeah. Some people ask again, does making closures with canical long hair for braided wigs last? My sister, that's the best I would say to me, because I have tried using human hair. I have tried using canical long hair for closures, and even the wigs I wear myself. I can remember the wig I used human hair to braid for myself did not last. Yeah, did not last, because one thing with human hair, you know, as the braid is getting, the braids, yeah, the braided hairs are getting old, the human hair will start sticking out of the braids, and the root which you bleached starts changing color, becoming gray, what they call, becoming ashy, looking ashy. It doesn't look natural again. That is my own observation. But the braids, the braided wigs I made for myself using canical long hair, anytime you bring it out, they still look good, they still look new. That's my own observation, and I now say, okay, that means human hair closures for braided wigs, I think it is overrated to me. For more lasting wig, I prefer canical long hair for braiding wig. From my experience, I have used both, but I will tell you that canical long hair closures are best for braided wigs. If you like, try it, you will see what I'm telling you. So guys, keep watching, and don't forget to like this video. If you find this video helpful, share my video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's interact. Do you prefer, let me know your thoughts, if you prefer braiding your wigs with canical long hair or human hair. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. This color, the color of the hair I use is gray, yeah, metallic gray, and the total of hair I use for this wig is 3 packs of braiding hair, and the length of this wig is 22 to 24 inches. So this wig can be made in any color of choice. Yeah, and the cap size, that's the full lace cap size, is medium. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs, when you contact me, you tell me how you want your wig to be. That is why they are called custom made wigs. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you prefer making your wigs with human hair or canical long hair. So guys, stay tuned, keep watching. I would like to see you guys again. Keep watching. I'll talk to you guys again. Bye.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose.
So guys, this is what the end result looks like. This is what the wig looks like. And for the baby hairs in front, the owner, you can add your make your, I'm leaving enough baby hairs for the owner so that she can trim it down, do it anyhow she wants, so she can customize it herself. And I will quickly show you what it looks like on my head. And some people might ask, what about bleaching of the knot? No, you don't need to bleach the knot. What you have to do is just apply your foundation or your powder shade to the lace and everything will melt as if it's your scalp. So for wearing this wig, you see shortly I was putting on a stocking cap that matches my scalp. You see shortly. So guys, let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section. If you're interested, please check the description box, the column that says to order a wig. I would like to see you again in my next video. Please, thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching to this moment. I appreciate and I love you. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.
To overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.